In this video, I will show you how to set up your own Scratch account so you can start designing your own computer games straight away. First thing you do is you go to your Google search and you search for the word Scratch. And if you hit return, first thing that comes up there usually is scratch.mit.edu. So that's the one you want. So click on that. And you join Scratch up here. So you have to set up your account from here. Click on join. And try and create a unique username that might not be used by some other user out there in some other school. So maybe, for example, in my case, I'm going to pick something like student 60 CBS or something like that, and see if that's available. Now create a password. So if you just find a password here and maybe don't show your password in case somebody else is using the computer. Same one in again. And click next. And pick your country. In our case, Ireland. Next. When were you born? So month and year. So for example, April 2010. Male. What's your email? Now, you have to give an email address to get started here so they can verify that you exist and all that. And you can give it your own email address if you have one, or your parents' email address, whatever it happens to be. I've one created up here just for this. So scratchuser20@gmail.com. gmail.com. Create your account. Now you're logged in and get started. So we're now in Scratch. Now there's one last thing. It says here to confirm your email. So if I just click on this, you can't share stuff unless you confirm your email. So it's going to send a confirmation link to my email. And so if I go to my email now, you can see it there. There's a message in my email from Scratch. And you just click on that to confirm your account. And that's it. And now we can go back to our original screen again. And you can close this. So now we're in. So that's done. And now I can start creating. And what you do then is you start creating your game, whatever it is. Now, I've done another series of videos on how to actually create a game, so you can look at those separately. But for now, I'll just do a sample, make my character here move 10 steps. So that's my first game, just make him move 10 steps. Just drag that in here. And when you hit the green flag, or just hit the command here, he moves 10 steps, the character. So that's your first game, just as an example. Now what you want to do is you want to share that game with somebody. So up here, you click on share. So you give it a name here, my first game. And you click share. Now, what that has done is it has published your game for the Scratch community, so anyone who searches for it can see it. But alternatively, what you can do is you can copy the link to your game. So if you want somebody in particular to see this game, you just click on copy link down here, and you get this link, and you just select it with your mouse, and you copy it. Hold down the control button and press C on your keyboard. Now that's copied, and you can send that to whoever you want. For example, email it to somebody. So for example, you could just compose a new email and then just paste, or control V, or right click paste, same thing, my game, like this. And whoever you want to send it to is there. And that's it. That's how you get started on Scratch. Now, like I said, for the details of how to write the actual games, please look at my other videos. And that's the end of this demonstration.